Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, your teacher, your friend. So friends, in today's video, I'll be giving you the make sentences of chapter Birth of Seasons from the book Engaging English Class 5. So let's get started. The first word is bounty. So I have framed two sentences from this word. So whichever you find easy, you can copy that. So the first word is bounty, which means reward. So the first sentence, the autumn orchard displayed a colorful bounty of ripe apples ready to be picked and enjoyed by the eager visitors. The second sentence, the pirates' bounty gleamed in the sunlight. Okay, so second word, abode. This means the place where you live. So sentence, my aunt's lakeside cottage surrounded by tall trees and the gentle sounds of nature was the perfect abode for relaxation and reflection. Third, eerie. Eerie means strange, something strange or frightening. So the sentence is, the old abandoned house had an eerie atmosphere. Number 4, caverns. So caverns could be a cave or a large deep hole on a ground. So I have framed two sentences. Whichever you find easy, you can copy that. The friends went into the dark caverns with their lights. Next, the entrance to the mysterious caverns was hidden behind a curtain of vines. There is one more sentence. We explored the dark caverns guided only by our torches. So number 5, crackled, which means short or sharp sounds. So let's read the sentences. The fire crackled softly, warming us on the chilly night. Next, the logs in the fireplace crackled and popped. One more, as they walked on the frozen lake, they could hear the ice beneath their feet crackle. Number 6, swooped, which means moved down suddenly. Or in Hindi we can say jhapatta marna. Okay, so let's read the sentences. The owl swooped down from the tree to catch its prey. One more, the children watched the kite swooped and soared through the sky. Number 7, plunging, which means to jump suddenly. Zoro se chalang marna we can say. Okay, so let's read the sentence. The brave diver took a deep breath before plunging into the refreshing pool on a hot summer day. Number 8, fallow, which means the land which is not used for growing plants. Let's read the sentence. The farmer let the field lay fallow for a season, allowing the soil to rest. Next, the fallow playground was quiet and empty during the winter break. Number 9, perched, which means to sit on a branch. So let's read the sentence. She perched on the edge of her seat, eagerly waiting for the movie to start at the cinema. Next, the little bird perched on the branch of a tree and sang a sweet melody. So number 10, in vain, which means useless, bekar mein. He searched for his lost keys all morning, but his efforts were in vain as he couldn't find them anywhere. Number 11, yield, which means profit or a result, and yes, one more meaning, to produce. So let's read the sentence. The negotiations between the two countries were challenging, but they eventually reached a compromise that would yield positive outcomes for both sides. One more, despite his best efforts, the athlete's injury forced him to yield his spot in the upcoming championship. So there is one more sentence with this word, yield. The farmers were pleased with the high yield of their crops this season. Number 12, realm, which means knowledge or interest. So let's read the sentences. In the realm of technology, constant innovation shapes the landscape bringing new possibilities to our digital world. In the realm of technology, constant innovation brings new possibilities to our digital world. Exploring the realm of books allow you to travel to far off lands without leaving your place. So one more with the word realm. The little girl pretended to be a princess in her imaginary realm. So number 13th is dearth, which means lack of something. There was a dearth of water in the desert, making it difficult for plants and animals to survive. Number 14, morsel, which means a small piece of something. So let's read the sentences. She offered me a tiny morsel of chocolate, just enough to satisfy my sweet craving. Next, the chef carefully plated each dish, ensuring that every morsel looked as delicious as it tasted. Number 15, fates, which means the power. His fate changed when he found a lost puppy and decided to take care of it. Next, the story was about a brave soldier and the fate he faced on his journey. Number 16, compromise, which means an agreement. Even though they had different opinions, they were able to find a compromise that made both of them happy. To avoid an argument, they decided to make a compromise and share the last piece of cake. Number 17, negotiate. Negotiate means when you agree about something. When you agree about something. So let's read the sentences. She had to negotiate with her little brother to share the toys they both wanted to play with. They both wanted to play with. Okay, next sentence. Dad had to negotiate with the seller to get a good price for the car. And the last word, reins, which means a long thin piece of leather. The cowboy held the reins tightly as he rode his horse through the open field. The rider held on to the reins to steer the horse in the right direction. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you so much.